To my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm Abdot. Quick one today. We'll be sharing with everyone how to save contacts on a group. How to save bulk contacts on a group. It reduces the stress of you having to save this one by one. So you should log into your browser, your WhatsApp. So let us see. Let's make use of this group. So just come here. Just come here. Can you see? Make sure that your arrow is pointing here to the numbers. Make sure that your arrow is pointing to the numbers. Can you see now? These are the names. So after that, you right click, then come to inspect. Then after that, you see some coding. Then here, you bring your cursor here, you right click again, then you come here, you come to copy and you click on copy element, then you go to your notepad or Excel, anything, then you come there and click on Ctrl V, that is paste, and here you are. Can you see numbers plus 23408? Can you see these are our numbers? So that's how to copy bulk numbers from a group on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.